boys and girls. We are going to get ready to do lesson 95 today. So let's start with our date, our number pattern, and our coin cup. So today is April 6th, 2020. Can you repeat after me? Say April 6th, 2020. Good job. Let's do it all together now. Ready? Here we go. April 6th, 2020. Very good. Okay, let's do our number pattern. Are you ready? It's blank, 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 15, 16, 17. All right, I'm going to give you a minute to do that. I'm going to get my marker and fill it in. Okay, let's see. What did you get? Did you get 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17? Very good, that's it. All right, let's get ready for coin cup, okay? Let me grab our coin cup so we can do that. Everything's a little off camera today. I kind of set us up a little bit different because I'm going to need these numbers later. So I pop out and I pop right back in, so I'm not going very far. Okay, coin cup today. All right, let's count and see how many we have. Can you count with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, you keeping up? Let's go on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I have 21 pennies or 21 cents. So let me get my board. We're going to write that on our coin cup square. So let's see here, 21 cents, okay? You see that right there? 21 cents. Okay, now think about it. If I want to change that into dimes and pennies, I just counted 21 pennies. Now let's replace some of those pennies with dimes. Can you answer that? How many dimes am I going to have? And how many pennies am I going to have? Okay, so let's see. I need 10 pennies to be able to replace it with a dime. So let me grab our coin cup. See, I disappear, but I come right back. It's kind of a fun little trick. Okay, here we go. I'm going to set these down. All right, let's count them out. Okay, so I'm going to count 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 pennies. So how many dimes do I get for that? 1 dime. Here's my dime. Doo-doo-doo. See it? All right, I'm going to set it down. Okay, now let's see how many more pennies I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 more pennies. What do I get to trade for that? A dime. Ready? Right here. Do-do-do. 1 more dime. All right, now I just have 1 penny left. So do I get to trade a dime for that? No, it's only 1 penny. I need 10 pennies to get a dime. Okay, so let's see what we have now. I have my 2 dimes. So I've got 10, 20, 21. That's the same amount as my coin cup, 21 cents. I bet you guys knew that though. You are so smart at this. You do such a good job. Okay, let's get ready for our math meeting book. Can you get that out for me, please? And go ahead and open to your April calendar. We got to start our April calendar. Miss Shaw is working on filling hers in as well. So let's see. Let me find April. Have you found April? there with that. That's okay. I don't need that. Okay, so open up your math meeting book to April. Remember April 2020. And I went ahead and filled in all the way to April 6th because today is April 6th. So go ahead and catch up here. You probably need to fill in 3, 4, 5 over the weekend and then 6. Okay, I'll wait for you. You go ahead and do that. When you are done, go ahead and flip over to your weather graph and you can look out the window. Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Is it snowing? My goodness, you'll have to fill it in. Again, you guys are going to have to send me a picture of what your weather graph looks like. Since Miss Shaw is recording this, I'm not filling it in because I'm actually recording this before April 6th. So anyways, fill that in with what your weather looks like today. And when you're done, let's go all the way to the very back. Oops, my book is upside down. Here we go. All the way to the very back. And today we are going to do some counting. We're going to just use our counting strips, okay, right here. So we are going to do our 10s, our 2s, our odds, and our 5s, okay? What we're going to do, we're going to go down. So we'll count forward by 10s, and then we're going to go up and count backwards by 2s. And then we're going to go over and count down by our odd numbers in order. And then we're going to jump over to our 5s, and we are going to count backwards all the way back up. So it's going to kind of look like a little snake. Zoop, 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 like that. So here we go. Let's start at the top. Get your pointy finger ready on the top at your 10. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. All right, are you counting with me? I want to hear your little voices. Here we go. So let's start at the bottom. Remember, we're doing our 2s backwards. So here we go. 24, 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Good job. All right, now scoot over. We're going to do our odds going forward. Here we go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23. All right, scoot your finger over. Doo-doo. We're going to count backwards by 5s. Here we go. 60, 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, and 5. Good job. All right, we're going to fill this in a minute. Just ignore that for right now, okay? All right, go back one page, and you can fill in your next number on your number line. Mine's all blank. I should start filling it in. So go ahead and look at your last number and add your next number. Got it? All right. Today, when you're done, close that up. Don't put it far away because we're going to need it again in just a minute, but be patient. Here we go. Let's see. I want to get, my dry erase board. Oh, where'd I go? I'm back again. Okay, I'm going to erase today's date and the number pattern. And our number for the day, you will have this in your lesson, writing this number. Our number is 86. Miss Shaw is going to write that. 86. Oh, let's close my 6. Remember, our 6s don't have a tail. Remember, we've talked about that. We don't want to go whoop and give it a tail, do we? No tails on my 6s. There we go. All right, so let's talk about our number for the day, 86. How many 10s do we have in the number 86? Did you say 8? That's right, we have 8 tens. So how many ones do I have in the number 86? What number is in my ones column? 6. Very good. So if I had my tens blocks, you know, my cubes, I would have 8 of those 10 blocks lined up. And then I'd have 6 individual boxes over here, right? For my ones. It's easier for Miss Shaw to draw the ones really quickly than the tens. All right, now let's talk about if this was 86 cents. Need to erase. Okay, if this is 86, oops, that's a little funny looking, but 86 cents, how many dimes would I need to make 86 cents? Think about it. I would need 8 dimes, right? Now, how many pennies would I need? I would need 6 pennies to make 86 cents. Good job, guys. Okay, today we are going to learn how to count by 100s. So remember, when we get all the way, when we count by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the last number we get to is 100. Let me grab my number chart. Oops. Okay. So the last number I get to, when I start at 1 and I count all the way through, what's that last number I get to? I get to 100. So now we are going to skip count by 100s. And that is what I have on the wall behind me. So hopefully you guys will be able to see it okay. So let's move this and let's scoot back. All right, do you see this number at the top? It is 100. Ready? Say 100. All right, our next number is 200. All right, say that for me, 200. Good. Our next number is 300. Now you say it. 300. Good. You see that 3? All right, our next number is 400. Now you say it. 400. Good. There's my 4. All right, next one is 500. You say it. 500. Good. All right, back to the top. Here we go. 600. You say it. 600. Good. Now, 700. You say it. Very good. 800. Your turn. Your turn. 800. All right. 900. 900. Good. And our last one is 1,000. Everybody say 1,000. Good. Now, what do you notice in this? Can you notice some patterns in our numbers here today? We're counting by 100s. Okay, did you notice that the front number, the first number goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you see that? Do you see that pattern? That's a good pattern. What else do you notice? Do you notice that every number has 2 zeros? 2 zeros. Look at that. 2 zeros, 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 zeros. See those 2 zeros. Now when we have 1,000, we do have 1, 2, 3 zeros. 3 places after that 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay? All right, so what I want you to do is get out that math meeting book. Let me grab mine. And I want you to, in your very last column, right here, I want you to go ahead and write 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, all the way down to 1,000, okay? Now I'm going to leave this here so you can see it for just a minute, and your mom can pause the video or she can help you with it if you need a little bit of time to get all those in, all right? All right, boys and girls, I miss you guys. I wish we were doing this in person. I miss seeing your faces every day, raising your hands, Miss Shaw, Miss Shaw. So I hope you're doing well, and I will see you again tomorrow for math. Bye, guys.